Hello, today I'm a guest at DEMAG in Wetter, visiting their research factory. You may wonder why here. Well, DEMAG is one of the application partners in a recently started ITEA research project called InnoSale. The project focus is, among other topics, on the following three research questions, which are first, automatic semantic transformation, meaning how to translate between domain-specific vocabularies used by customers and manufacturers using ontology-based creation of custom product configurations. Second, on the identification of similar customer requests in order to accelerate and to automate the creation of offerings using various heterogeneous data sources, for example, like ERP, CRM, CAD, systems and the like. And third, for declarative routes that allow engineers or even machine learning algorithms to easily extend the system behavior. Industrial players, researchers and experts from 4 different countries are participating in the project, which come from Finland, Germany, Spain and Turkey. InnoSale aims to innovate today's sales systems and processes for complex and variable industrial equipment, plants and services. The characteristics of these products make this task fundamentally different from the sales of products that can be selected easily in a shop system.
Hi, I am a researcher at Native AI. So at Native AI, we combine modern computer vision with deep learning technologies to automate document-related processes in our customers' day-to-day work. And in order to do this, we have a core component to semantically understand documents. And therefore, for the InnoSale project, this is what we are going to do, which is to semantically understand a customer's inquiry, to assess the different levels of support with relevant information that can help them understand and help the customer faster and better. And the thing I like most about the InnoSale project is that it's a research project, so we get to examine how much further we can push AI to process and understand recurrent yet complex tasks.
Hi. Hi. We are from Professor Markus Krötz's Knowledge-Based System Research Group at the TU Dresden. In our group, we focus mainly on rule-based reasoning formalisms for so-called knowledge bases. You can think of it as a database where a large part of the encoded knowledge is stored as declarative rules, like, for example, every parent is also an ancestor, or for every human, there exists another human that is a parent.
Exactly. And working closely together with our partners in the InnoSale project, we have the possibility to unleash the great potential of these approaches. That is, we aim to compose the most suitable sales offers based on a catalog of complex configurations and products and a given inquiry. We're excited to both advance the theory of existential rule reasoning by tackling fundamental research questions and at the same time implement an efficient reasoning engine together with advanced tooling to make theory and practice come together in the InnoSale solution.
Hello, my name is Sepide Sobkol. I'm a research associate at the Institute for Automation and Communication in Magdeburg. It is a free institute run by a registered non-profit organization. We have been doing applied research for more than 30 years and are a member of the SUSE community. We have been involved in a project outline for development and innovative sales management system from a very beginning. In the resulting InnoSale project, we and our partners are developing a system to search for similar quotations and sale processes in the relation to current customer requests. We only have medium-sized datasets, so we need to combine machine learning methods with other methods. We are also involved in the development of a system for computer-aided pricing. Various factors, internal and external, to the company have to be taken into account. Some influences reinforce each other, others reduce each other. To deal with these interacting influences, we want to use fuzzy logic. In the InnoSale project, we would like to take the opportunity to extend our research expertise in the areas of natural language processing and rule-play systems. We are very glad about the collaboration in the national and international consortium, which offers a very broad spectrum of industrial application knowledge and scientific expertise.
I am from EM Engineering Methods AG. We are an engineering consultant and we are a software vendor providing the requirements management tool RECMAN. We contribute to Work Package 5 and the validation of the newly developed software modules for semantic analysis, and also to Work Package 6 with planning and coordination of the demonstrators. Besides me, Christian Donges and several colleagues from Rackman Development are involved.
As a global player, DEMAG Cranes and Components is active in more than 60 countries with sales representatives. The classic yellow overhead crane, which is known from basically every manufacturing floor in the world, light crane systems to handle weights up to 3.2 tons and hoists in different types and complexities, cover our typical product range.
DEMAG has more than 200 years of experience in material handling and lifting business. It has been developing from a pure mechanical engineering company to a system solutions provider for the whole life cycle of our products.
In an age of connectivity, keyword Industry 4.0, intelligent, fully integrated systems are needed. This interconnection affects not only order and production management, but also after-sales service and new business.
Handling large amounts of data and working more efficiently in the sales of complex and explanation requiring industrial goods needs a rethought computer-assisted intelligence.
The idea for InnoSale is based on the constantly increasing requirements of our sales. Therefore, DEMAG provides InnoSale with real use cases, data and experience.
Within the project, we will prototypically implement the results of the project in a real sales environment.
Together with the project partners from InnoSale, DEMAG will initiate a transformation by developing AI-supported, highly efficient and highly networked sales tools.
As project initiators, we are proud to be part of the development of this technology. Also, we are very much looking forward to intercultural and social enrichment.
I'm working as a researcher at Software AG. Founded more than 50 years ago, Software AG is an enterprise software company with over 10,000 enterprise customers in more than 70 countries. The company is the second largest software vendor in Germany and has a software portfolio of more than 200 different products. Within InnoSale project, Software AG expects an increased domain access to extend its portfolio of software solutions and services. With this experience taken from the project, Software AG will deliver solutions approved and tested within the market domain of InnoSale. And results and findings from the project will be used directly in order to improve the existing tool chain within R&D, but also to promote the acquisition of customer projects in the investigated areas.